Hey, what's going on, everyone? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I'm going to show you something that we've come up with here at our workshop. And I think it's going to be really helpful for the laser crew. Check this out, guys. Hey, so our latest innovation here at Clearview Plastics is designed to help the laser community. This could be someone that's using a CO2 laser, diode laser, or a fiber laser. And oftentimes, our user base is using this inside of an office, a spare bedroom, a craft room, even the shed or the garage. And they need to be able to exhaust the fumes from their laser engraving outside. And so what we've developed is essentially an adjustable window insert that easily adapts a 4-inch exhaust hose. And so if you're familiar with our laser engraver enclosures, we've got a bracket that is really easy to attach a 4-inch exhaust hose. But the hurdle has been for many of our users is how am I going to get this, outside the window in a way that is, efficient and functional and everything like that. So again, what we've essentially developed is an adjustable window insert that slides in and out with a couple of plexiglass panels. And so this will accommodate windows that are as narrow as 21.5 inches wide, all the way up to 36 inches wide. And so that makes it just flexible and mobile as well. So if you ever change windows and change where you're working, then you can actually set this up within just a few within a few extra minutes. So aside from being adjustable, we've also developed in what we call a blast gate. And blast gate is a term that's used in woodworking dust collection systems. When you are changing tools, you want to be able to point your vacuum exhaust or your vacuum lines to a particular tool by opening and closing what's called a blast gate. So for lasers, this blast gate functions as a way to basically turn on and turn off your exhaust line. And so just by pulling this out allows you to open up your exhaust line and for when you're ready to use the laser. And then when you're done using the laser, then you can easily just close this back up, just like that. And then that way it makes it so that no air from the outside gets in. So if you live in like a cold area or a very hot area, or if you don't want to allow animals to get in, or if you don't want rain to get in, then this blast gate really helps to prevent things from getting in and out when you're not using your laser. So to basically set this up, all you really have to do is pull this out to the width of the window frame and basically close the window in on it and maybe do some strategizing to just get it to be a little bit secure. Now, when you order these, we actually send out a little bit of weather stripping, foam tape that can line the top and the bottom just to help you keep prevent the air from getting in it, like the outside air from getting in. And the other portion that we designed into this as well is this little barrel feature that basically extends out from the window insert itself. And so basically, when you put this inside of a window, it's probably going to be inset inside the window frame a little bit. And we wanted to extend out that exhaust just a bit more to ensure that the air is actually getting out. Then of course we put this cap on there so that any like animals or rain can't get inside, just to kind of further seal off the outside elements as well. So overall, what we really wanted to do is just make an easy way to get set up, get your laser set up so that you can get engraving as fast as possible and as easy as possible. So if you want to see the things that we make, including this window insert, head on over to clearviewplastic.com. Plastic is singular. My name is Neil. We make these right here in California, and we're a small business, and we're appreciative people. So if you like what we do, then I hope to see you around. All right. Thanks. Bye.